Okay, here's day 24. I put my pass load back together and cleaned it. When I took it apart to clean it that one day, I did it in my truck and I lost a little piece to it, and that's why I never got it back together till now. But I just got it back together. Let's see how this works. Oh, that is nice. That sank every one of those. Now let's see how this piece of shit compares. Oh, we got one. Oh, not quite. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, we got another one. Ooh, it's actually doing pretty good today. We'll give it 10 minutes and it won't shoot anything. We'll see how this one does today. And not only is it working better, but check this fuel out. They screwed me when I bought this. These things have an expiry date on them. These are the old kind of fuel. I haven't even seen these things in years. I thought they were old. Look at the expiry date. February 2018. That's why this wasn't working so good the other day, but still, you put that in there. Like, you can't beat this gun. And they're tough as hell. That's nothing. I could throw it off the roof. You know, it's still cold today. The other crews still aren't working. I'm getting a late start today. It's like noon already. That's the nice thing about working alone. I can start whenever I want. But I don't have time to shovel out all this snow, so I'm just gonna start building. Shovel it when the sun goes down. So we'll start with this 2x6 wall right here. This is the only 2x6 wall up here. This is because this is a plumbing wall, because they're gonna have a shower right here and a shower right here for the other bathroom. Except I'm probably gonna get the guy with the forklift to lift my tubs up over in here, so that's why I left all these studs out. So I'm also gonna leave these studs out, so I can bring the first tub in through here, put it in there, put the studs in, then bring the second tub in through here, put it in here, put the studs in. They make me put the tubs in because they're too huge to get in here after the roof goes on. And had the gun sitting in the snow. Still working perfect. So next I'll do this wall. This wall is gonna line up with this corner closet, so I ran this one through and then these two will butt into this one, but I'll run the cap plate over top of everything. So I'll leave the cap plate off of this part for now. I can still put this one on though, and it'll hang over this wall so I can tie it in at the top. Now this is the other bathroom. Here's the door, and the tub's gonna go there. But now I'll build this wall. If you want to see how I'm laying these out, go watch my how to build interior walls video. There's 2 parts of that. I'll show you how I mark out all these walls. There's that laundry room. They're gonna have a stack washer dryer here. And this will be a linen closet. So I'll build this wall here. We'll have a door for the linen closet, and then there's no door here because the door is here. So I'll build this one over here and slide it over there. Now I'll do the wall with the door in it for the master bedroom. I'll build it over here and then put it in there. Here's the master bedroom door. Now, there's the wall that goes all the way across here. First, I'm gonna build these 2 little walls for the closet, and then I'll start doing these ones. This wall goes along there. I'll build it here and then just lean it against there for now. Now I'll build this closet wall. It's gonna have a door for the closet and a door for the bedroom. that wall. Anybody see the mistake I made? I put this backing in the wrong way. It should have went to this side. I think I wrote up when I should have wrote down. Or I wrote down when I should have wrote up. Or it said down and I put it up. I don't know what it is. I'll just have to put another one in here now. But I'll build these 2 closet walls here now. Just these 2 closet walls, and then the long wall, and the little 2-foot wall. And I'm all done. Well, I gotta charge the battery on the pass load, but then I'll build those 2 closet walls and that little 2-foot wall, and then that's all the walls, and it's time for a beer.